Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are looking at the construction on the Southern Coastal Highway, and we are in 11 miles Bull Bay in St. Thomas, or this part is in St. Andrew. So the highway is being constructed, the Southern Coastal Highway, and at this part of the highway it's going to run along the existing road. So this road is 2 lanes, so on the left they are constructing 2 more lanes so that the highway will be 4 lanes. And this is going to run all the way from Harborview to 11 miles in Bull Bay, or where we are now in 11 miles Bull Bay, all the way back to the Harborview Bridge. So for this entire route of the highway, it's going to run along the existing road, and 2 new lanes will be constructed to the left of this road. So you can see that it's built a bridge there, because the highway is going to be 4 lanes when finished. So this highway is going to run all the way, the Southern Coastal Highway is going to run all the way from Harborview to Port Antonio. And it's been built in phases. So this is phase 1A, which runs from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. And for the section between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the highway is going to run along the existing route. So the existing route, or the existing road, sorry. So it's going to be 4 lanes. So those 2 lanes on the left will be so you can see them working on the highway on the left. Now this highway started in 2017 and it's scheduled to finish in 2025. It's estimated to cost $59 billion, and it's going to be 110 kilometers of road. I'm all for building these highways. Doesn't matter what they cost, just build them, because the benefit to the country, it's sometimes unmeasurable. To be able to drive from Kingston to Port Antonio on a highway, that is what, everything has a cost, but what's going on here? The economic benefit to St. Thomas and Portland, it's worth building it, whatever it costs. We all know it's not going to cost $59 billion, it's going to cost more. You have overruns, you have delays, but it's worth it in the long run, and Jamaica will benefit. So I'm all for it. The government is actually going to be expanding the Northern Coastal Highway from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, and that's converting that section of the road to 4 lanes. It's currently 2 lanes, and they're going to convert it to 4 lanes, and it's estimated to cost $120 billion. So it's going to cost twice as much as this highway. That other highway project, the Northern Coastal Highway, will involve putting in 2 bypass roads. You're going to bypass Runaway Bay, and you're going to bypass Discovery Bay. We actually have videos up that go into that project in more detail, so you can look for that video on the channel. I think the name is Expanding the Northern Coastal Highway. So just search for Northern Coastal Highway and it will come up. So you can see we're driving into Harborview now, and you can see the route that the highway will take, because you can see the road being worked on the left. So the Southern Coastal Highway is going to take you from Kingston to Port Antonio, and then you have the Northern Coastal Highway that will take you from Port Antonio all the way back to Negril, And then you're going to have phase 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway from Negril back to Mandeville, and then from Mandeville back to Kingston you'll have Highway 2000. So Jamaica is going to have a first world highway network running across the entire nation. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of the construction of the highway and also what you think of the video. Alright guys, have a good day.